Hello everyone. I'll be talking about the market wire that India Ratings and Research has published, titled Second COVID Wave to Impact Rural Loan Collections in Securitized Pools. Among the securitization transactions rated by India Ratings across asset classes, the average current collections reduced to 73% in April 2021 from 84% in March 2021. As per early signals, the second COVID wave is expected to significantly affect May 2021 collections due to containment restrictions, poor consumer sentiment, and collection disruptions. Even as non-banks ramped up digital infrastructure, collections could be impacted significantly as lenders were forced to stop door-to-door collections after agents, staff, and borrowers had fallen sick. The agency believes the economic impact from subsequent pandemic waves could be smaller than that from the first, as economic agents learn to operate within a pandemic. The nature of the shock in the second wave, being a demand shock, is different from that of the first, which was predominantly that of a supply. The economic agents adjusted expenditures and savings in FY21 to align with the new normal. These adjustments added to the pent-up demand and resulted in a differentiated business recovery last fiscal. Thus, there are pockets of stress in each asset class as characterized by the nature of business, such as contact-intensive discretionary services, which may not recover until sizable population is vaccinated. The second wave is also more dispersed, and thus smaller towns and villages witnessed a sharp rise in infections and fatality. This could affect the rural non-agri demand sentiment. Thus, India Ratings expects the performance of asset segments such as microfinance to be significantly affected in May-June 2021. The agency believes the transactions will witness moderately more delinquencies from rural geographies in FY22 than what was witnessed in FY21. Asset segments dependent on agriculture, such as tractor, farm equipment loans, are expected to be affected to a lower extent as they cater to non-discretionary demand. The pandemic shocks continue to adversely impact the low-middle income individuals and small businesses, whose loans are typically securitized in India. India Ratings expects an additional layer of delinquency buildup in the securitization pools over and above the delinquencies currently witnessed by these pools. Vulnerable borrowers would have already slipped into delinquency during the first shock in FY21. And any incremental delinquencies in FY22 are expected from non-urban geographies and borrowers with fragile financial cushions. Although most of the rated transactions have aged and credit enhancements have built up adequately, the agency will continue evaluating if the available transaction enhancements are adequate for the rating level stresses. And finally, on the securitization volumes in India, in the first half of FY21, the market saw securitization volumes dip significantly. However, volumes made a comeback in the second half as clarity emerged on the loan collections and as investor confidence improved. In the second half of FY21, India Ratings rated 24 securitization transactions aggregating issuance of around Rs 134 billion. These transactions, both PSL and non-PSL pools, securitized loans of various asset segments. Given the uncertainty in collections due to the second pandemic wave, securitization volumes have moderated in the first quarter of FY22. We hope you find the wire insightful, and please feel free to reach out to us for any questions or feedback on the Market Wire. Thank you.